Namaste.
I am Vivek
I am Aryan.
from the team Rhythm IQ. Here is the problem that how can we enable affordable contactless health monitoring using everyday devices like smartphones without external wearables or invasive sensors.
In a world where health tracking is becoming essential, most solutions rely on expensive wearables or bulky devices. But what if a phone alone could monitor your pulse just by touching its back panel? We present Pulse Touch, a smartphone-based pulse prediction system that uses negative sensing and thermal feedback to detect heart rate through skin contact with the back of the phone.
Here is the detailed solution and the explanation how it works. The phone's capacitive touch sensors and thermal sensors uh, detect micro changes in the skin conductivity and temperature caused by blood flow. When a user places their finger on the back panel, the system captures subtle variations in pressure and heat. These signs are processed using a custom algorithm that filters noise and identifies rhythmic patterns corresponding to pulse. The app displays real-time heart rate and stores data for health tracking.
Advantages of this app. No external devices needed, works offline, affordable and scalable, can be used in rural and low resource settings.
This is the hardware part of it. So now, as you can see, my teammate is going to explain the components and the working principle of it.
So the basic components of this project is Arduino Uno, adapter, jumper wires and pulse sensor. The working principle of it is when we place a finger on pulse sensor, it will show the reading on the serial computer. Now my teammate Vivek will show the serial computer reading.
As you can see in the serial monitor, now it's showing the pulsar sensor value and the pulse rate. It is based on the 10-second delay, and if you convert it into minutes, it is a normal pulse rate. In conclusion, we would like to conclude that Pulse Touch is a bold step toward making health monitoring truly universal. Our idea is simple: embedded a pulse sensor into the back panel of a smartphone, allowing users to check their heart rate instantly, just by placing a finger on the device they already carry every day. This eliminates the need for expensive wearables, bulky equipment, or hospital visits for basic pulse tracking. It's non-intrusive, cost-effective, and designed for regular use. Whether you are a student in a remote village, a teacher in a busy school, or a parent keeping tabs on your child's health, Pulse Touch makes wellness accessible anytime, anywhere. The sensor works seamlessly with a lightweight app that records and visualizes pulse trends over time. This enables early detection of irregularities, supports preventive care, and encourages users to take charge of their well-being. In a country like ours, where healthcare access is uneven and digital penetration is rising, Pulse Touch brings the gap. It's not just a feature, it's a future-ready solution that turns smartphones into personal use health companions. With Pulse Touch, we are not just innovating, we are empowering millions to monitor their health with a single touch. Because we believe that real impact begins with simple, scalable ideas. I thank my mentor and team PPS for supporting us. I would also like to thank my vice principals and principals.